Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sritama Datta, Assistant Professor, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology, and today's topic is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity of Earth. What is that? The force of gravity acting on a body having unit mass placed on or near the surface of the earth is known as acceleration due to gravity. তাহলে acceleration due to gravity আমরা কিভাবে ক্যালকুলেট করব? You already know the gravitational force, the expression of the gravitational force. What is that? আমরা জানি gravitational force is equal to G, universal gravitational constant, M into M, that means the mass of two body and the distance separated by r square. G is the gravitational constant. And we also know what is the acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but force by mass. So we know the force. Force is F, that is gravitational force, by mass M. Substitute this, we get G is equal to, that means acceleration due to gravity is equal to G capital M, mass of the earth, by r square. R square is the distance between the stone, that means object, any object, and the center of the earth. So the value of the gravitational acceleration due to gravity or gravitational acceleration is, we substitute this G, we already calculate the value of G, mass of the earth and the distance separated, that means the radius of the earth, we get G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, because the unit is meter per second square. Acceleration is meter per second square. Now, the value of acceleration due to gravity vary due to the following factors. What are the factors? First of all, shape of the earth. Secondly, height of the earth's surface. Thirdly, depth below the earth's surface and axial rotation of the earth. আমরা এখানে যে দুটোতে ফোকাস করব সেটা হচ্ছে height above the earth's surface and depth below the earth's surface. First, the height. Due to height, আমরা ধরে নিচ্ছি this is the earth, radius r. একটা পার্টিকেল আছে সেটা h হাইটে রয়েছে, that is in b position. a হচ্ছে কি, এটা পৃথিবীর উপর কোনো একটা পজিশন। তাহলে a particle of mass m is placed at the surface of the earth. This situation can be mathematically expressed as mg, the force, is equal to gmn by r square. We already discussed capital M is always refers to the mass of the earth. So we get the acceleration due to gravity gm by r square. Now the situation is the particle is shifted to the position B at height h. So the acceleration is changed and it may be g dashed. This g dash is the acceleration due to the gravity at a point B. So the force mg dash is equal to gmm by the distance here is r plus h, because the distance is changed. কারণ আমাদের হাইটটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে, তাহলে r plus h whole square. Now g dash by g is equal to r square by r plus h's whole square. So if h is very less than r, then g dash, by neglecting the higher term, g dash is equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. So g dash is proportional to 1 by r square, and if r tends to infinity, then g dash will be 0. That means At infinite distance from the earth, the value of g becomes 0. Now we consider the depth of the earth. Let us assume the earth to be a homogeneous sphere, that means sphere of uniform density, and rho be the mean density of the earth, and a body be lying on the surface of the earth where the value of acceleration due to gravity is g. আগেরটার মতোই আমরা যখনই পৃথিবীর উপর ক্যালকুলেট করব, the gravitational acceleration is g/m/r². The rho is the mean density, so the m, mass of the earth, is replaced by 4/3 pi r³ rho. This is the mass of the earth in terms of rho density, in terms of density. So we get g is equal to 4/3 pi gr rho. Now the body is taken to the depth of d. d distance এ আমরা আগের বার যেটা করেছিলাম h হাইটে আমরা নিয়ে গেছিলাম, এটা হচ্ছে d ডিসটেন্সে আমরা নিচের দিকে নিয়ে গেছি, ভেতরের দিকে, আর্থের ভেতরের দিকে। So here the force of the gravity is gm dash, because the mass is changed. এইটুকুনি এই সার্কেলটার মাস হবে m dash r minus d whole square. The distance is now r minus d, because this is center and the particle is here at the b position, and the distance is r minus d. So what is m dash? M dash is 4/3 pi r minus d cube rho. So cancelling the r minus d term, we get gd, that is the gravitational acceleration at the point b, depth d, 4/3 pi g r minus d into rho. So g dash by g is r minus d by rho. So d is equal to g into 1 minus d by r. So the representation, graphical representation is that when the particle is inside the earth, it is straight line, and after that we reaching the surface of the earth, it is decreasing. It is outside the earth, this is the inside the earth, this is the radius. So up to the maximum value at g is at the surface, and then gradually it is decreased. So when the object moving upward or away from the center, the planet slows down, and when the object moving downwards or towards the center of the planet, it speeds up. So thank you, students.